So if you just imported your sprite and it's looking blurry or the colors aren't looking quite right, it's actually a really easy fix. So all you're going to do is click on your sprite in your scene. We're going to come over to the texture and we're going to change the filter to nearest. Now, if you're using a Sprite 3D, you're going to do the same thing, except you need to go into the flags, change the texture filter here to nearest. But if your colors are still messed up, you're going to want to select the sprite image down here, come up to import. We're going to change this to lossless. We're going to come down here. We're going to change this to disabled, and then we're going to make sure to click re-import. And that should fix all the colors. However, if you don't want to have to change the texture every single time you put in a new sprite, all you have to do is change your project settings. We're going to go over here on the left side, rendering textures. We're going to change default texture filter from linear to nearest. And that's it. Should work every time.